Any guesses? You know it's coming. All right. Let's give our actors a countdown. Ready? 3, 2, 1, action! Oh no! Buddy, did you miss it? Oh no. You're too slow, Sloth. Oh, you look so sad. Oh, just leave a little early. Oh, don't look at us like that. I can't. You're breaking my heart. It's okay, bud. Just leave a little early next time. Let's give it a big aw. Ready? Aw! Next time. Oh, I can't. I'm gonna cry. Yeah, let's have that. All right, let's give that one another round of applause. Okay, nobody say it. Nobody say it. Nobody say it. What was the movie?
Lion King.
You're right. You're right. It was the Lion King. Well done. That looked more like a Barnyard Frenzy, though, because there was a cow and a Cheshire Cat and that. But yes, the Lion King, correct. Okay, question 1. What actor provided Simba's adult speaking voice? A, Joseph Williams, B, Rowan Atkinson, C, Matthew Broderick, or D, Nathan Lane?
C.
Oh, we're pretty confident. C? We're saying C? Okay, question 2. What or which work of William Shakespeare is said to have inspired the movie's plot? I'm hearing some Hamlets. Any other guesses? No. Quiet, pretty quiet. Okay. Did this one get us? No, I heard another one. I can't say it though inside. We're in a theater. You know you can't say that inside a theater, right?
Scottish play.
All right. What actor provided Simba's adult speaking voice? Matthew Broderick. Well done. You did very well. Okay. So this one kind of got us. I feel like some of us knew it, but a lot of us didn't maybe. So as for which William Shakespeare's thing is Hamlet. It's Hamlet.